In the previous video on the part 1, we have shown you how to creating report with Crystal Report and Visual Studio, and we also show you how to show the data from the database. As you can see here, this is our last. Okay, now if you can see, there is no table or there is no line here. Okay, so in the part 2, we will show you how to build this table. Okay, so your report will look tedious. To build a table, first, it's better you don't use the print date. Okay, the print date is the data that appear in here. We can add later. This is, I think, less useful. We can add into bottom of page later. So we need to delete this first. Okay, we can delete print date. Just press delete button on your keyboard. Now, to add the box or the line, you can using toolbox, but I'm better using the insert button with right click and select box. Okay, draw the box until look like this. Make sure the box is outside of the tiles. Okay, below header and above the footer. And in here, if we can see, if we start them, the box is look like this. Okay, okay, you can see this is just starting, and in here we need to using bigger view. Okay, so we can make the box, okay, very the tile look like this, and then because the box is look bigger, we can select on the properties line thickness. I will using just 2, and we can try to preview again. Okay, you can see now the box is look like this. Okay, how to build the line? To build the line, so become the table, we just only need this is 100% again. We need just insert and select line and put the line, okay, the bottom of the section 3 or the tiles. If harder to using in here, just insert again and select line and select in here. We can adjust later. Okay, okay, we can using left arrow on our keyboard. Okay, you can see this is the line. We will preview first. You can see the line is look ugly here. We can change the line thickness again. Okay, we can make bigger. So select this line and line thickness, select 2, as you can see. Now you can see the line is have space here. You can using properties to easier to manage the line. Right, okay, in the right you can plus the value, for example in here 50. Okay, you can see still have the space. If you can see here, okay, you can add again, for example maybe 60. Okay, it's enough, I think. Then we can try to continue and see this is our the line. Now the line is look crossing the letter. Okay, you can see here the words is crossing with the line. We make this line. Okay, click this line very carefully here. Don't make mistake of the item you select the top. Okay, from 32 make this 2, so the line is near into the section 3 is the tiles. We can preview again. Okay, looks better. You can see it's look better. How to make the line is not almost the same with the text. You can see here. This is, if you can see, I will show you. The M in here is very near of the line. We can make it bigger, but this is not first. We will make the title of our report here, okay, not using underline, so we can untick underline here if we preview first. Okay, now the line have the header and have the row. Okay, to make your line is bigger, you can see, to make the line is bigger on the content, okay, we can make the section, the tiles is bigger, so we can drag the footer here. Okay, I think it's enough, and we can make, okay, we can make bigger here. We can make the line or the box that we're creating is bigger also. Okay, look like this. And now we back to 100%. We can multi-select this with control, okay, and we can using bottom arrow on our keyboard. Oh, I'm sorry, it's too much. We can make is like this, and okay, I think it's enough. One by one here, you can using bottom arrow and make the box, okay, bigger than the content. Okay, look like this, and this is make the content bigger. We can preview first. You can see this is if you want to make the line bigger, okay, you can make this yourself. Also, we need to bigger in the section header, so we can just click this and make the box in here. The top, I think 2 is enough. Okay, now we can preview our report again, as you can see here. Okay, now we can using vertical line here. Okay, so the our report is looks like half a table. How to do that? First, it's better to make the view is bigger when you creating the vertical line. Okay, so we can right click and click insert and select line and draw the line from here until here like this. And don't forget again, select the line thickness from 20 to 2, and we can preview, okay, as you can see here. Okay, now we can copy all of the line here and control V, and we can just put look like this. We can make the same to the left. Okay, we can control C again and control V, and then put like this. I'm sorry, put the line is make the same with this. If it is difficult, you can delete and you can recopy again, so it will easier if you control C and control V again. Okay, you can see there. Then we can control C and control V again, and then paste in here. Okay, in here we will control C and control V again and paste in here. Now I think is enough of our vertical line here. You can see now become look like this. Okay, in the next tutorial we will tidier our content and our title of the reports. Okay, and there is a question on our YouTube channel how we can do calculation in the reports. Also, we will show you in this channel. So because part by part, not make our video longer, we will not use one video to make the whole tutorial about crystal report. So we make separate part by part in here. In the next, we will TDR our content, and maybe we can also modifying our header background in here. And that's all the part 2. In the part 3, we will make the content is TDR. Okay. There is something we forgot. We also need the line into between ID and first name. Okay, we can Control C and Control V here. Okay, and this is our last. In the next video, we will make the content is TTR and how we can move the section details using a better idea or using a effective method. And in the next video, we will continue this how we can make the content TTR and make the background of the title and do calculation and create grouping and create formula and etc until the report is completed. That's all. Thanks for watching.